Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 19. This is Section 2.9, Problem 19. We have to add 1.5 plus 5 3/8 plus 2 3/4. So there are three mixed numbers to add together. It's really the same process, whether you only have two or if you have even more than three. What you want is a common denominator. So looking at our denominators of 2, 8, and 4, they will all divide into 8 evenly. So let me give each one a denominator of 8. Now, figure out what the numerators have to be. So 2 times some number multiplies to give an 8. So it must be 2 times 4. So the numerator is times the same amount, times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So the next fraction down, the 3/8, the denominator got to stay 8. So for an equivalent fraction, the numerator will stay the way it was. It was 3. It can stay 3. 3/8 is equivalent to 3/8. And then the bottom fraction, 3/4, make an equivalent denominator with an 8. So 4 times something is 8. The something must be a 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same amount, times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Now all the fractions are something over 8. So I can add them up. So I'll have a common denominator of 8. So I have 4 plus 3 plus 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 more is 13. So I have 13/8. And for the whole numbers, 1 plus 5 plus 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 more is 8. So I have 8 and 13/8. Now that is the answer, but it's really not in a good form. I have a mixed number, a number with a fraction, where the fraction portion of it is an improper fraction. So that's really not good. I should convert that improper fraction into a mixed number and combine the number portion with the 8. So off to the side, let me divide the denominator of 8 divides into the numerator of 13 how many times? Well, 8 won't go into 1. 1's too small, so 8 will go into 13 only once. 1 times 8 is 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. So the numerator is what I got as a denominator, what I got as a remainder, I should say, and the denominator stays the same. It was 8, it stays 8. So I have 1 and 5/8. So 8 and 13/8 is the same as 8 and 1 and 5/8. And now the whole number parts of it I can combine. 8 plus 1 more is 9. So my final answer in this more simplified form is 9 and 5/8.